Hello and welcome to XLab Zone Training Center. Again, here's Ibrahim, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ifs function again, but in a different method. So this is the previous video, and this is the current video. So um, I have this table here, and the question says if the division. Oh, so let me just increase this a little bit. Yeah, if the division is equal to gov, and then the sector will be government, and if it is SUD, and then it will be local, and if it is CD, NGO, CP, NGO, CMD, and else. So this is, I guess it's only three arguments because we have this one, the government, and then we have the local, and everything else will be an NGO. So let's begin. So equals ifs tab, and then if this one equals, and because this is a text string, so we must put it in between double quotes. So double quote, and then gov, case is not sensitive, so if it's capital or small, it doesn't matter, comma, so value if true, and then double quote government, so government, and then close double quote again, and then comma. Once again, if this one equals double quote SUD double quote comma, and then between double quote again local, and then close double quote, and then comma. This is the last one, and then true, comma, double quote, and then NGO, double quote, close parenthesis, and that is it. Enter, and double click to send it down. Boom, there we go. That's it. GOV is government, SUD is local, and CPDV whatever, and it is NGO. It's working perfect. Thank you, and see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.